There's always a lot of talk about how to maximize holiday sales, but you hardly ever hear about what to do with the period afterwards. Am I right, Neely?
I mean, when you're right, you're right.
Yeah, plus, and why would you? Especially after 3 months of solid, constant business, potentially more than you've ever experienced or done in comparison to the year before. You've earned a solid break. Absolutely. However, starting the first quarter off of the new year slowly is not an ideal situation, and keeping the numbers high for post-holiday sales is key to ensuring continued growth and profitability in the new year.
Oh, are we going to cover what you can do after the winter holidays to keep your sales figures strong? And now this is, I would say, probably the perfect time for remarketing and retargeting, especially towards those who have already made a purchase with you, even recently over the holiday season. Selling to pre-existing customers is so much easier, and it cuts down the amount of effort required to generate new business. And honestly, with all the shoppers visiting your website, you should be remarketing to them all year anyways. I mean, according to recent studies, visitors who see retargeted ads are 70% more likely to convert on your site, and that's huge for your business.
Go after abandoned carts. Targeting abandoned carts from over the holiday season, first of all, brilliant. Wish I would have thought of that. But it could work out really well, especially if you specifically talk about relevant concerns and pain points for those customers. Like shipping costs and wait times are usually the main reasons shoppers hit that back button. But with the holiday rush over, you can win them over and get the sale.
Also, buyers frequently use the cart to store items they like or plan to buy later, or to view and buy on another device. Many even use the cart as a wish list. If you can see my fiance's Amazon cart right now, it terrifies me every time I see the number. But if you're able to capture an email address on those abandoned carts, you'll have the ultimate list of shoppers to market to and keep your sales momentum moving after the holidays.
Let's talk about one of my favorite things, coupons and discounts. And boy, oh boy, do I have a ton sitting in my inbox. Neely, I've been trying to just delete them right away because I'm like, I should not be spending money, even if I'm saving money by spending money. So I just like see it and I delete it. But most people don't do that. The truth is, shoppers buy from you not only because it's the holiday season, but because of your discounts. Offering coupons and discounts, you know what it's going to do? It's going to help to motivate both those with depleted funds after the holidays and shoppers looking for a value bargain. So make them an offer that they can't refuse, such as a buy one, get one, BOGO for short. So they're getting 2 for the price of 1. And if you have products that need to be gone before the coming year, try creating a clearance category on your e-commerce site and drive traffic there.
But it's normal for sales to be a little slower after the holidays, right? Try not to use it as a time to coast. You're exhausted. I'm exhausted. We're all exhausted. We know, but you should also assume that your customers are too. But they're still listening, watching, and waiting. Too many retailers make the mistake of cutting off their email, advertising, and social media efforts when Christmas comes and goes. Keeping up with these things, even if they're automated, will help both your visibility and knock out a few extra sales in the process. I mean, think about how many people are getting gift cards for gifts this year. They got to buy it at some point, right?
That's right. And holiday season sales are your last chance to generate revenue this year, but first of the year sales can help set the tone for success. All right, that's a wrap. But your journey doesn't have to end here because we have over 250 videos for you to watch.
Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate you for watching. This is The Journey.